Colemanate your life. Today I'm coming on to share a unboxing review for it called Firmoo. I'll share just a little bit about the company. They are one of the largest eyewear online retailers that are out there. All of their glasses range in price from approximately $19 to $39. So let's go ahead and jump right in and I'll share all the information. Let's go. You have a whole plethora of different types of frames that you can choose. Many options. There's so many options to choose from. I had a hard time trying to decide which ones I wanted to order. I have been wearing glasses for probably 8 to 10 years now. For this offer, it is a BOGO. Buy one, get one free. You can get 2 pairs of glasses with this particular offer, and I will leave the link down in the description box for you and their website information, and you can order directly from there if you're interested. And again, price range is from $19 to $39 max, and you really can't beat that. So I wanted to pass that on to you guys. As far as placing an order, you can do it. There is information there on the website that you can actually kind of measure, take your measurements, and sort of simulate measuring for the glasses. If you do wear prescription eyewear, then you do want to make sure that you have had an eye exam, at least at minimum the prescription information. Customer service with Firmoo has been excellent. It only took about a week to receive the eyeglasses, so that's a plus. As far as packaging, they came in a very small package like this, and these came for me. They came by my postal service, my regular postal service, and it's a nice soft case. Come in this case, which I think is a nice touch. A little repair kit is also included, which is great in case you lose a screw or something like that. And then it came in this case. Nice leather look case. I love the actual design on it. It says Firmoo on the front of it. It's a hard shell case. And it has like a map of the world, of some parts of the world on here. But I love that. And then they come like this in the inside. As you can see. So you have your glasses, little card with some information. And also a cleaning cloth. Very nice. This is one of the nicer ones too. Thicker than usual. Very nice. So that's how they come. You can get a single lens along with the frame is what for this particular offer. So I'll give you a look of the glasses that I selected. And I just wanted to try something different. I love the glasses that I currently have, but it's always nice to kind of switch it up. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to kind of switch up just a little bit. So I got this very, very pale pink. And these are plastic frames, which I prefer. You have your nose pads, your nose guard to the glasses. And they are very well made. The whole perimeter of the actual lens is like a rose gold metal, which is super cute. So I'm going to put these on. And I love these. I love, oh wow guys, I love these. I really do love these. I like the look of them. They're a little different, more retro, I think these were. When I saw these, I was like, okay, I think I'll give those a try. I love them because they're pink and girly, feminine. They fit well, nice frames, good quality lenses. This is a single lens. These are lightweight, very lightweight, but they feel so good, and they definitely are a different look for me, but I really like them. So all in all, I would say Firmoo is definitely a hit for me. I love the glasses, and they had tons and tons of options to choose from on their website. So I think that would be your biggest problem, if you want to call it that, would be trying to decide which ones you would like to, like to try or like to purchase. So I hope that this helps you, and I hope that you would give Firmoo a try. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Be blessed, stay favored, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.